Jing, 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 jingle bell. 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 Jing, 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 jing.
Merry Christmas.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. Goosebumps every time. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. Oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, we gon' do some things, yeah, we gon' do some, or you can't go, or I don't know, 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 I don't know. Oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Oh no, I can't fuck with y'all.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but I didn't do nothing yesterday, so don't find me. I know how you girls like to tussle. I need to stay out for TikTok. Anyways, it is Wednesday. It's 8:09. Not only have I left the house on time, I'm dropping Nyla. Booyah. I thought I had a busy day, and then once I got in the car and I started like freaking out, then they're like, somebody's like, I'm gonna have to cancel the visit. So I got a visit here in a second, and then I have another visit. No, I have a meeting at 10:30. So yeah, that's that. Here we go, here we go. Cute face fast. Let me check Nyla in on the phone. Night Poo Poo, you ready, baby?
Yeah.
You wanna go see the kiddos? We gonna see the kids. Nyla, look up. Say hi, everybody. Now look at the camera. Nyla. 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 Oh. Anyways, y'all, I had to drop her off real quick. Y'all, today is Reagan's 2-year anniversary for her podcast. Make sure you guys are streaming on all streaming platforms. Her podcast, her IG link is always in my bio under Reagan's IG. So just click that and it'll lead you to where you need to lead. It's Relatable Rae on all streaming platforms. But yeah, congratulations, sis. 2 years of talking your shit on the pod. Congrats. All right, I'm about to run in and get Nyla. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back from work. It's 11:49. I had some cases, I had a meeting, and I'm back. I'm hungry. I wanted to stop and get something to eat. Did I do it? No, because I got rent. I got bills. So I'm debating. Do I want to make some pancakes, some bacon, some smothered potatoes, or do I just want to make some tacos? Probably tacos. I don't really want to eat tacos, but probably tacos. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm about to do. So got my meat out there unthawing. I did that this morning, so that's thawed out. So yeah, I might as well start cooking dinner while I'm at it. So yeah. Oh, I could just make a breakfast sandwich. Is that too much? She was an angel, one told me love. This how you gotta do the potatoes. I guess so. Y'all, so I'm almost done with my food. I'll show y'all how it looks later. I mean, it's just a breakfast sandwich. But I'm gonna have this beef grounding. It's probably gonna boil some noodles shortly. And I guess I'll just get dinner started because I'm pretty much done for my work day. I mean, like, not doing nothing too much. I did a lot earlier this morning. I woke up really early this morning. I was working. So I'll probably put up the dishes, and then I need to wrap all the Christmas gifts. That's what I need to do. I need to wrap the Christmas gifts. I need to get Lauren's gift ready for her birthday. I need to get Chloe's gift. That's what I need to do. We'll be back when I do that. All right, guys, let me turn on the light. All of Nyla's stuff is wrapped. The red and white, this kind is not nice. All of her stuff is wrapped that I have here. I still have stuff at the house for her that I need to get. This stuff is Malachi's, so I still probably have another couple hours worth of wrapping, but I did make a dent. So the only gifts that I have in my garage now is my God Baby's gift. And I can start throwing some of this trash away. I got a big gift over there for Nyla that I need to do. But I can start throwing some of this trash away and make some more room in there. It is time for me to go get Nyla. Okay, open the door.
I can't open it. Might help me.
Okay. All right, y'all. Nyla's about to walk in. Yep, you're welcome.
What? What's pressing?
It's pressing.
My mama, she is help me.
No, you can't open them. Santa brought them, so you gotta wait till Christmas, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go play in your room.
Santa brought it.
Huh?
My Santa brought it.
Santa brought them, yep. Santa brought them.
Okay.
No, you can't open them. You gotta wait till Christmas, okay? You just can look at them.
Mommy, I will rub it.
Yeah, you can rub it.
Ew, they're cute.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mama showed me to play.
All right, guys. So here is my OT of the day. Outfit of the day, work outfit. The lighting, everything is just horrible. But got on my work blazer, all black. That's what I wear all day. Wear that all day yesterday. Wear that today. Nyla has on all black. Come on, Nyla, let's go. It is 7:41, so we need to be leaving like a minute ago. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, so it's Thursday. I just now got out of court. It's noon. My 1:30 hearing got canceled today, so that's a good thing. So I'm done with court today. Boom, boom. But y'all, so I'm at court and I get an email from Amazon. My package was supposed to be here yesterday from Amazon. I'm gonna write y'all because this is like the 4th time it's happened. My Prime account is not giving Prime. It's giving 4-day shipping. Like, I know it's the holiday season, but I paid for Prime. So if I pay for 4 days, I will be a regular Amazon customer, okay? So I ordered Nyla's princess dress on Saturday and her princess shoes, and then I was gonna surprise her and wear a big old not so cute princess dress for myself. And what? My order says it's not gonna be here till Monday. Her party is Sunday. So I was online trying to see if I can find any places to pick up. All of them are saying shipping. Target, Kohl's, Walmart, everything is saying shipping. And they won't be here till Monday as well. And I'm like, this is so irritating. So I'm about to use my little break and try to run around and see if I can find anything. Her bestie had a pink dress that she wore, and I texted her, I'm like, I might need to borrow it, girl. I can pay you and everything, because Nyla has been talking about wearing a a pink fluffy dress for her party. She wants to be a princess. All the other kids are wearing princess dresses, and Nyla won't have a princess dress. Now she has a dress, the dress that she wore on her birthday, insert picture, but she wants to wear a, oh shit, she wants to wear a different kind. So this wasn't really in the plans for today, but I can't let my baby go out like that. So I'm about to be going to every store in this area trying to find her something. All right guys, so I'm in Target and I found this dress. This is the thing she wants. She wants it princessy, but it's yellow. It's not pink, but I'm hoping that I can get away with it. Then I found these little princess heels, but the issue is these are silver. That's gold. So I don't know about that. We'll see. I don't know. It just depends if she likes it. I don't want her to try it on yet until the day of. So honestly, I'm probably gonna buy hella dresses, and then whichever one she doesn't like or whatever, I'm gonna return them. So oh, we're about to, like, I'm gonna enjoy it now.
Take jets, y'all.
What did you say, Ray girl?
I only take jets over here. I'm in the secret airport. Showing the wrong way.
So guys, I don't even know if we're supposed to be over here really. Reagan told us we was booking a 30-minute flight, helicopter ride, and it was only 10 minutes. Do y'all hear her? I can almost guarantee if they have a camera, they're looking at it. What are they doing? They wanted it to be 30 minutes so bad. Okay, so Ray wants me to take some pictures of her. I don't care about pictures. I really wanted a picture inside of the...
You might as well just sit on the wings.
So now I'm taking pictures. Reagan, what kind of look are you going for your helicopter ride?
This is very much dirty, apparently. Because the cookie chocolate.
Okay. Ooh.
We're just gonna act like that.
Alrighty.
This is giving very much cozy.
Cozy. Ugh, your Instagram is different. Get your shit off of the thing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Y'all, I'm not a picture taker, so I'm sure she's not gonna like them anyways. I don't feel like trying to find that on SoundCloud.
Okay, I'm pretty much over it at this point.
Alright, kids, so I'm at JCPenney. I'm just showing y'all real quick because I gotta go, so I gotta make it quick. Hey guys, so did y'all see that dress? Well, y'all saw that, obviously, that dress that I just showed y'all. So, like I told y'all yesterday, I was, what am I saying? I was, ordered Nyla's whole birthday dress and outfits and all that on Amazon, and Amazon was being weird. So I ordered my stuff too. Nyla really wants me to wear like a pink, poofy princess dress like her, right? But where can you find adult dresses from in store? Like, you literally can't. Ducks, I got somewhere to go. Yeah, go ahead, fly your little ass on. I really don't want to hit y'all. Oh my God, now they're playing. Move! Oh. I'm DoorDashing, so give me a second, y'all. Okay. So anyways, I was like, I need to find me a dress. I went back to JCPenney's where I found KNYLAH'S dress at yesterday, and I was able to find me one. But the con is I had to get a KINY'S. Not only did I have to get a KINY'S, I had to get the biggest size I could find was a 910. By the grace of God, I am short. But bitch, I'm not nowhere by any means small. So I could not fit the arms part. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna see maybe if like my grandma or my mama have like a white sweater, like a sweater, and I could just button it up right here, and then I just show like the poofy dress part, or I could leave it open because my arms don't fit in the sleeve part, like, and my arms don't fit because they're just too big. When I was putting it on, I had to put it on, I had to step in it, and when I stepped in it, it was like, I'm like, just almost there. So anywho, y'all, I did that. Now while I was there, it was like DoorDash was popping, so I was like, let me get on the DoorDash because I ain't been on it. I'm supposed to be making $20 a day, so I can make $100 a week, and I have made nothing. But I'm on this order, and 2 of these orders is $10, so that's well, Lolo's birthday. Oh, there she go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Girl. Nyla, say happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday.
She couldn't wait. She was hungry.
She's starving. Nyla, I love your watch. Oh my God.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Thanks, girl.
Who's that gift
What could
from?
be in the Amazon thing? Pierre. Pierre Kane. What did you get from Amazon? Right there, open it. You got me an Amazon gift card from Amazon?
You ordered that from Amazon?
Yeah, you could have got it from.
You could have went to Walgreens. But you ordered it off of Amazon?
Dang,
But you could get that literally from
that
Walmart.
is so funny. I've never seen nobody.
I've never seen in my life seen somebody order an Amazon gift card from
I've
Amazon.
never seen nobody order a
Yeah, probably because you don't have an activation fee on.
You got us good, huh?
Alrighty, birthday gift number 1. How much was on the card? Oh, girl. Okay, that's for me. It's a little fragile, so
Is it candles?
I don't know.
Give me the pen. Hurry up.
Got it.
Where's the pen?
That is so
Ghetto.
right.
Kiara. What is it? I'm gonna cry.
I saw it on your Twitter.
Let me see.
It's engraved just like you said you wanted it. I never get on Twitter, but the day I got on Twitter, I saw that.
Yo, I'm literally crying.
Anyway, you should have
This is
seen.
literally the only thing I wanted. What? Oh, okay. Okay,
Look at Ralph.
Y'all Snapchat.
Oh my God. Look how dirty.
Look here, Bobby.
Is your name on it? Mama, you know we got it engraved.
Why did they cancel Nyla's order?
For what?
Dang, you got all this for $14?
Oh, dang. Give me the receipt. I didn't mean to put that in there. And no, I didn't. I got those on 2 separate days. With the wallflowers and stuff.
I just want y'all to know that there's mice outside of that apartment. I was walking outside and there was one running across the street. Yeah.
Well, anyway, so I overheard you saying that you wanted wallflowers.
Yeah. Who did you hear this from?
You. I overheard you saying it on the phone. Why are you looking like that?
I literally just said that. Was I talking to Brianna? Is that champagne gold?
No. Do you like that scent?
Yeah. Which one is it? It's like gives me like
I think it's Tiki.
girl vibes.
All right. So I got the kids pasta because I'm just like, yeah, grandma's food. This. Per usual, mama's getting a bite of everybody's food. They just ordered it. Lauren, you like your food?
Oh, let me try. Oh, no.
Daddy, you like yours? Nyla seems to like her. Good morning, kids. Today is Saturday. You gotta go potty. Okay, y'all. So, anyways, today is... They can see you right there. Today is Saturday. I have been up since 6:30 and I feel like I haven't got shit accomplished. I mopped the entire house and cleaned up Nyla's... Yeah, I just feel like I haven't got shit accomplished. Anyways, it's 9... Okay, make your coffee. It is 9:40 or something. I'm on my way to Praise Dance practice at church for our Christmas program next week. So we have that from 10 to 11. Nyla is dressed in her Christmas outfit / pajamas / dress or whatever it's called, because she is going to a Christmas parade with my mom at 10. So we're gonna meet at the church and then they're gonna go, and I guess I'm gonna meet them later or after practice. I'm not for sure how that's gonna go yet. And then after that, I don't know. So I packed all of our stuff for the day. I don't know if we're just gonna be out and about until Chloe's birthday party, Nyla's little best friend's birthday party at 2, or if we're gonna come home and come back. I'm not for sure yet. So we'll just see. But I packed her gift and Nyla's change of clothes for the birthday party. So yeah, we sort of got a busy day, and then tomorrow is Nyla's birthday party. So Nyla, tomorrow's your birthday party. Yeah, today is Chloe's and then tomorrow's Nyla's. No, Wowo's was yesterday. Remember, it goes Lolo, Chloe, Nyla. It looks so pretty so far now. Oh, which one you want? That one? That's
How about we'll do a little bit smaller just because it'll stay on your face better.
So, okay.
But we'll do that color.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I believe that's fine. You know what? We gotta get a...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. No, Oliver. No, Oliver. Oliver. When I say unbothered, unimpressed.
How high can you jump? Let me see how high you can jump.
Okay, I gotta get at. I'm hitting like 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Open your eyes.
Look, Nyla. Nyla, give Jasmine and Tiana a hug. Give Tiana and Jasmine. Give them up. Give everybody a hug, Nyla. So much. Oh, that you made it stop. Yes, she's pretty. Nyla, give Tiana a hug. Oh my God. Yeah. Nyla, you want them to come to your party? You say thank you. Say thank you for coming.
May we come in?
Yeah. Hold their hand. Okay, come on and deliver your presents to the party.
Switch hands.
Were you Barbie yesterday at Chloe's party?
I'm sorry, I don't know what
Hey. You so excited? Nyla, you cannot play with that yet.
Presley is so funny. Look at her hand on her chest.
Around and round.
All through the town.
Mommy's grandma's
Hit it hard, Nye. Go get it, Press. Presley, you better grab the candy before they steal it all. So y'all, we're at the birthday party. I have my crown on. Say hey, kids. Nobody wants to say hey to me. Nana, you having fun? Everybody's eating. There's Michelle. Karen. There's the family. The masked up crew. Say hey, girl. Everybody is eating for the princess.
Can I show you something real quick?
Lauren.
Nana, come here. I gotta show you something. I'll be right back.
Demia.
I'll be right back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nyla. Happy birthday to you. Yay, Nana.
The party's over, y'all. It was fun. Woo. We're just waiting for the people to come. Hi, Gaga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, guys, it's Monday. I'm just coming back to end the vlog. The party was good. Everything was good. I am so glad the party is over. Look at me. Oh, come on. I'm so glad the party is over. A lot of money, a lot of time, but it's fine. It was so worth it to see Nyla's face with the princesses and the Jumper to Jupiters and her friends. But the issue now is that she's sick. And like she is sick, but it's like allergies and the cold, the weather change, and her asthma. She's just not feeling good, so she's at home today. She did a lot this weekend. She went to 2 birthday parties. She had her own birthday party, and she went to the Christmas parade line. So she's in my bed. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Vlogmas week